Good morning, my studio people. All right, so week two. So there are, as we go through this, we are going to, learn some new things and change and all that kind of good things. Um, so this week I've made a few different changes for the way you are going to submit stuff and some of my expectations, those types of things. Um, and this is for both Photo Studio and Computer Art Studio. So if we go in here, week two, this week's schedule, right? So Monday, always checking this out. And also, I'm going to make a video every Monday, right? So be aware of change in office hours. I'm going to switch them from 9 a.m. To 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Just because you guys keep missing them because you sleep in and stay up too late. And yeah, this will be easier. So change in Schoology studio layout and expectations. That's what we're talking about right now. Check in with me by Wednesday during new office hours. So I just want to see you, talk to you. So every Monday now, there's going to be a new assignment. Which is basically going to be a week calendar and goal submission. So what are you going to do this week? What is your plan? How are you going to space it out, right? I want to know what your goals are every single week. And then on Friday, you're going to submit some progress. And so if we go in here, Friday, right? So it says it in here. Each Friday you need to submit what you've been working on, including the following. Did you meet your goals? Were they too easy or were they too hard? What is going well? What did not go well? And then what can I do to help you out for next week? Or to push you? Also in here, I'd love to see some submissions of images, whether that's photos or digital stuff that you've been working on. So like I said, and then somewhere during the week, I want you to actually check in with me during my office hours too. So this is basically what it's going to look like every single week, um, unless something changes. But that's kind of the plan for right now. And then I'll also, like I said, make sure we put a Spotify playlist in there every week too. So please give me some feedback. Hopefully this is going to be a little clearer and work out for you guys a little bit better. But remember, you can email me, you can send me messages through Schoology, or you can always check in with me during the office hours. All right, cool. Have a good week, and I should see you by Wednesday.